Health is wealth. These four words hold so much truth and wisdom. You see, without good health, all the money and material possessions in the world become meaningless. It's like having a treasure chest full of gold but being too weak to open it. I remember a time when I took my health for granted. I was always on the go, chasing after success and wealth. I neglected my body, pushing it to its limits, thinking I was invincible. But little did I know, my body had its breaking point. One day, it hit me like a ton of bricks. I woke up feeling weak, my body aching, and my mind clouded. I couldn't understand what was happening to me. Doctors ran tests, and the results were devastating. I had neglected my health for so long that it had caught up with me. I was diagnosed with a chronic illness, one that would require constant care and attention. Suddenly, my priorities shifted. Money and success no longer mattered. All I wanted was to regain my health, to feel alive again. I embarked on a journey of self-discovery, learning about nutrition, exercise, and mindfulness. I realized that true wealth lies in taking care of oneself, in nurturing the body and mind. As I started making healthier choices, I noticed a transformation. My energy levels increased, my mind became sharper, and I felt a sense of inner peace. I realized that good health is not just the absence of illness, it's a state of complete well-being. I began to appreciate the simple joys in life, like taking a walk in nature, savoring a nutritious meal, and spending quality time with loved ones. I learned that true wealth is found in these moments, in the ability to enjoy life to its fullest. Now, I prioritize my health above all else. I make time for exercise, eat nourishing foods, and practice self-care. I've come to understand that without good health, I cannot fully experience the wonders of life. So, remember, health is wealth. Take care of your body, nurture your mind, and cherish the gift of good health. It's the most valuable asset you'll ever possess.